Sometimes farmers used to call snake, snake. Snake charmers used to come and catch the snake. But do you know that what snake doing in the field? Snakes help human by eating rats present in the field, which spoil the crop because crops are the food for rats. Because snakes kill the rat, snakes are known as the farmer's friend. Do you know that snake cannot chew their food as they do not have the chewing teeth. They swallow the prey whole. Snake charmers can also remove poisonous teeth of snake. Poisonous teeth of snakes are known as fangs. Fangs are hollow teeth. That means hollow or empty spaces inside the teeth. So fangs are two poisonous teeth of snake connected to poison gland. Gland means small bag size or bag like organ. Aryanath and his grandfather also know how to remove the fangs of snake and also how to close tube of poisonous gland. After removing the fangs, the snakes no longer dangerous. Next, Dadaji says those days are very nice. Now the government has made a law that no one can catch wild animal and keep with them. Why government has made this law? Because there are some bad people who catch and kill the snake and sell their skins at very high cost. To prevent or to stop this, government has made this law. Because of this law, snake charmers also not able to keep snake with them. So it is so difficult to earn their living. Anyway, snake charmers not harm any snake. Snake are their treasures. Even they used to give snake to their daughters when they get married. So, Kalbelia people used to dance to entertain the people. Their dance are called Kalbelia dance. It is very famous in Rajasthan. Look at this picture. This is the Kalbelia dance.